Ever wondered why we're all hard eyes about WordPress when building websites? Let's break it down in 60 seconds. First up, WordPress is like the Lego of building websites. Quick to snap together and very little need for coding wizardry. Plus, you want to tweak something about your website at 3 a.m? You can do it yourself. We won't judge. Want to spy on your visitors? Okay, not like that. But with WordPress, you can easily track your website traffic, see where they're from, and measure those juicy ad campaigns. Thinking SEO? Well, WordPress is like the Swiss Army knife of SEO tools. No more bottlenecks like you'd find on Wix, Weebly, or Squarespace. With WordPress, you own your own data. Imagine if your web host was like an overprotective ex. What if they ghosted you? With WordPress, you can pack up your files and leave. With some other platforms, you can't do that. WordPress, it's more than a choice. It's our love letter to smart, flexible, and approachable web design.